Dear students, today I will discuss with you about derivative of some elementary functions. So our today topic is derivatives of some elementary functions and applications. And I will also, in the last part of this lecture, I will also give you one application of this important branch, that is derivative. I will also give you one application. So although students, you will learn in deep about this derivative in your mathematical class, but I will give you some brief introduction about this calculus, so that it will facilitate you to understand the physics better, in a better way. So I think student that up to now you are very much clear about the concept of calculus, about the concept of limit, about the concept of average rate of change, what is instantaneous rate of change, and that is also known as derivative. You are also familiar with the geometrical meaning of derivative, and I think that the concept of maxima and minima is also very much clear to you. तो बच्चों, अब इसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ अभी जो इसके इंपॉर्टेंट डेरिवेटिव्स बताऊंगा ऑफ सम फंक्शंस. अब बच्चों सपोज कीजिए कि अगर हमारे पास दो फंक्शन है x के, दैट इज ux एंड vx. सपोज वी हैव टू फंक्शंस ऑफ x, ux एंड vx. ओके, so I have two functions ux and vx that represent arbitrary function of x, and suppose that a and b denote some constant quantities. Suppose a and b are some constant quantities that are independent of x, that are independent of x. So students, then derivative of some of the functions I will discuss with you. If you have ux and vx are some arbitrary function of x, and where your a and b are some constant quantities that are independent of x. Okay, so suppose you have some function like d upon dx of u की power n. Here student, your u is a function of x. Okay, so that then its derivative will be nu n minus 1. Or let me explain it to you by example. Suppose I have a function x square. So according to this formula, the derivative of this function will be 2x 2 minus 1, that is 2x. So if you apply this formula to this function, that this is general formula, and I have applied it for a specific case, that is in this case my function is x square. In term of u I have x, so in term of n I have 2. So then this case जो आपका ये वाला फार्मूला है, it will become this. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? So अगर मैं बोलूं कि you have some function x square और उसका मैं बोलूं उसका आपका डेरिवेटिव या रेट ऑफ चेंज 2x आ रहा है, it means, इसको बच्चों बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the deeper meaning of this? It means that अगर आपके पास कोई भी फंक्शन x स्क्वायर है for any value of x, जो उसका रेट ऑफ चेंज होगा that will equal to 2x. ये है बच्चों इसका मतलब आप जहां पे x की for any value of x, what will be the instantaneous rate for that value of x, that will be equal to 2 times x. This is the meaning of this function, meaning of that derivative in this case. Now suppose you have a function d upon dx a u. Now your u is a function of x. Now I have already specified that a is a constant, that is independent of x. So constant term is always taken out of the differentiation. So then its derivative will be a du by dx. Okay. Now this is first formula, this is second. Now third. Now suppose you have du by dt. So this is du by dt. This is u. It is not v. This is u. This suppose you have du by dt. So this is du by dt can be written as du by dx into dx by dt. So this is third elementary formula. Now fourth elementary formula is that is a product rule. Okay. So suppose you have two functions u and v, then d upon dx of uv. So this is written as you have this is u, this is v. So what is the derivative in this case? This will be u d by dx of v plus v du by dx. It means if you have two functions u and v, then you take first function out of the of the differentiation, take the differentiation of the second, then take second function out of the differentiation and take differentiation of the first. Now there is one another algebraic, these all are algebraic functions. So now this is a product formula. Now there is one quotient formula. That is in, so fifth elementary function that I am going to discuss with you is of d upon dx of u upon v. In the denominator you have u and in the denominator you have v. Then in this case the derivative of this function will be equal to 1 by v square du by dx minus u dv by dx. So student, these are the formula that you have to remember. I have also given example of the first one of the formula. So rest you should practice because you will very frequently you will require this formula when you will study physics of any level. Either it is a university level of physics, it is a college level of physics, it is a higher school physics. These formula are always applicable in physics. Now please note down this formula, and I have also given you the deeper meaning. What is the deeper meaning behind derivative? So understand the concept. That is more